Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how to use Ecwid for dropshipping. If you're new to Ecwid or dropshipping and looking for a beginner-friendly tutorial, you're in the right place. Dropshipping is a popular business model that lets you sell products online without inventory or shipping worries. Ecwid simplifies the process of setting up and managing your online store. From product management to order processing and seamless integrations, Ecwid has got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up your Ecwid store, adding products and configuring payments. So to get started, head over to ecwid.com. You can see here, if we scroll down, you can sell everywhere. You can build a new online store, sell across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, integrate with online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart and Google Shopping, connect with a point of sale in your physical store and sell on the go with their app. Now Ecwid does have a free plan, but if we scroll up to the top and click on pricing, we can see that they have paid plans available too, which come with more features. You've got three options: Venture, Business and Unlimited. They'll offer you things like the ability to sell on Instagram and Facebook, the option to add discount codes, as well as the ability to have a multilingual store. However, today we're just going to use the free option. So from the top bar, click on Get Started for free. And we're going to create a free account. You can use either your email address or you can sign up with Apple, Facebook or Google. So we're going to start setting up the store. First of all, you're going to have to pick a name for the store, and then you'll have to select the country and the currency that you'll be using. And once you've done that, hit next. You've then got to put in your city and your zip code. Now it says, tell us a bit more about yourself. Do you already have experience selling? It's got a few options. Select which one is relevant to you. And then it asks what type of products you'll be selling. You've got a drop down menu again with lots of options to choose from. And if you're not sure what you're going to be selling yet, you can just hit not sure yet. And then it asks, are you setting up a store for someone else, such as a client? Choose whichever one is relevant to you. And then you can choose whether to get newsletter emails from them or not. Then just hit next. Then you'll choose where you'll be running your store. Do you already have a website? We're going to select no. It's going to let you choose your own domain, so you can put whatever you want in there and click next. And then it's going to show you the monthly plans again for you. Here we're going to select the free option and click Create a Store. So now it brings you to your dashboard. And you can see here you've got a to-do list to work through to get your website up and running. We're going to come back to that later, but for now we want to connect an app for dropshipping. So on the left-hand side, go to Apps and then go to App Market. And we're going to use the search bar in the top left-hand corner and we're going to search for dropshipping. And you can see here you've got a few options for different dropshipping services. For now, we're going to choose Printful, which is a print-on-demand service. As you can see here, it's got no upfront costs. It's got lots of clothing items and home items that you can customize with your own designs and sell them. So we're going to click Install, and then you need to connect your Printful store. You can use a Google, Apple, Facebook account, or just use your email. I'm going to use Google for mine. Then it asks what describes you or your business best. We're going to select individual entrepreneur. What's the total revenue of your business? We haven't started it yet, so I'm going to put 0 and then click Connect Store. So now we can add products to the store by clicking Add Products just here. And then in the top right hand corner, click Add Products again. And this is the Printful store where you've got all of the items that you can customize. You've got hats, embroidery patches, mugs, stickers, there's loads to choose from. But let's just start with a phone case. And we're just going to continue through all of this. And you can see here, you can go ahead and design the product. You can upload images, you can add text and clip art. So let's just really quickly put a design on it. Down at the bottom here, you've got the different types of phone cases, the different models and how it looks on them. And then when you're happy with your design, just select Continue. And now you've got two options. You can use a basic mock-up or a custom mock-up, and these are just the images that are going to be shown on your site. So the basic ones you see are just sort of standard ones that you can use, or in the custom mock-ups option, you can add your own background, you can add props in, you can even add text. Then when you're done, we're going to click Continue. Then here we can customize the product title and description. For the title, I'm just going to call this the leaf snap case. And then for the description, it's already got a standard one loaded in for you, but you can obviously add more details about your product. And then down at the bottom here, we've got a few options that you can enable or disable, such as adding information about on-demand manufacturing. If you're shipping to California, you need to enable the California Proposition 65 warning, and then scroll down and click Continue. Then here you can change all the prices. On the left hand side in this column you've got the printful price. This is the price you're going to pay for the product when you get an order. And then on the right hand side you can see your retail price, which is the price your customer pays. And then the middle column is your revenue, and that's how much money you'll make on each order. Obviously this product has different variations for different phone models. You can set an overall price for all models, or you can set individual prices. When you're happy, go down here and click submit to the store. It will take a few moments to do that, but if you refresh, you can see it's now in the store. Let's head back to the dashboard and we can start working through the to-do list. So firstly, we're going to set up the website or storefront. It's going to give us a few templates to choose from. At the top here, you've got some categories to help you find the right one for your store. Let's just use this one for now. So if we scroll through, you can see it's actually already added the phone case in here. And then as you add more products, they'll be added in here too. You'll also need to remove the sample products before publishing your website, but let's just click publish now and then view site to go and view your website. If you click on this settings icon in the top left hand corner, we're going to head back to the dashboard. We've finished this first thing on the to-do list, so we're going to tick it off. The next thing is to add products. We've already done that, so we can tick that off as well. Now we can review regional settings. This is where you can add your store name, your email, your phone number, address, and your social media. If you scroll up to the top and click on regional settings, we can change the currency, how the price displays. You can also change your weight and dimension units, your time zones, the store language. And then back at the top, we've got cart and checkout. Most of these options here, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to change anything, but there are a few things you can change. So you can just scroll through and choose what you want for your store. And back up to the top, we've got tracking and analytics. You can integrate Google Analytics, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, TikTok, quite a few different options there. Let's go back to the dashboard and tick off review regional settings. And then we can choose how to deliver your goods. So we're going to take a look at shipping options. Currently we've got Printful as our shipping option because we're doing drop shipping, so we don't actually need to change anything because you're not doing any shipping yourself. So back to the dashboard again, tick that one off, and finally we can set up payment options. Currently it's got pay by cash. We don't want to accept cash payments, so you'll either want to connect Stripe, Square or PayPal. Whichever one you select, you'll need to set up an account with them and connect it to your store. But once you've connected your account, you can head back to the dashboard and tick off the final item on the to-do list. So you're actually all ready to go. You can start sharing your website and getting sales immediately. But over here on the left, you've got your sales channels. We're just going to have a quick look at that. You've got your website, which we've just done. You've got Instagram. You'll have to upgrade to sell on Instagram, but that is another option for you to consider. And it's the same with Facebook and TikTok. You can sell on the app too. And you've got a few other channels down here. You've got Facebook Messenger, Google Shopping, point of sale. So that's if you're selling in person, which you won't typically be doing with drop shipping. You've got Shop app, eBay and Amazon. So you can link all of those to your store and make even more sales through them. And there you have it. We're all done with our tutorial on using Ecwid for drop shipping. Congratulations on taking the first step towards building your successful online store. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your drop shipping venture.